Understanding the phrase, lead a dance, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, lead a dance. This expression is not only picturesque but also rich in meaning and usage. So, let's dive in and discover what it truly means to lead a dance in the English language. In its most literal sense, to lead a dance refers to the act of guiding or directing a dance. Imagine a ballroom where one dancer, typically known as the leader, guides their partner through the dance, deciding the steps and the rhythm. This literal interpretation sets the foundation for understanding its more metaphorical uses. Metaphorically, to lead a dance implies taking control or being in charge of a situation. It conveys the idea of steering events or people in a direction that one chooses. This usage is common in various contexts, such as business, politics, or personal relationships, where someone takes the initiative or dominates the proceedings. Let's see some examples to understand this better. 1. In a business meeting, she really led the dance in the negotiations, guiding the discussion towards a favorable outcome. 2. In a social setting, at the party, it was clear that he was leading the dance, charming everyone with his stories and humor. These examples show how the phrase is used to describe someone exerting influence or control in different scenarios. That's all about the phrase, lead a dance. As you can see, it's a versatile expression with both literal and metaphorical meanings. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the richness of this English phrase. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.